Hello guys, Assalamu alaikum. Today I will discuss how we can use tangent by using AutoCAD software. Uh, for using tangent line, at first we have to select circle. Okay, uh, it can be any dimensional circle. I am selecting here 20 circle. Another one is 30 and another one is 40 Now here we have to apply tangent line. For that, at first we have to select line. After that, use 10, then enter. Then from which point to which point actually we use or we apply to tangent. First, from this point to that point we use to tangent. For that, I have to select first point. Okay, first point selecting done. Then another point. But before selecting another point, at first we have to use 10. Then enter. Then we have to select that point. Okay, this one is done. Same procedure we have to use tangent from this point to this point, and after that this point to this point. So I am applying here tangent, same procedure. Okay, for that select line, then and then enter, then which point to which point. Okay, second one is done. uh, After that again select line, then enter. Okay, first point, and select, and before selecting second point we have to use and then enter. Then we have to select point. Okay, done. uh, by following this procedure we can easily use tangent. Okay, no more today. Thank you everyone.